Hello everyone, today we introduce the N36300 series of high-performance desktop programmable DC power supply from NGI. The N36300 series is a benchtop, multifunction, high-performance power supply with wide range, high power density for lab, system integration, or production line use. Taking the N36300 as an example, Feature 1, Benchtop, N36300 fits 80 volts, 42 amps, and 1600 watts into a half 19-inch NTU chassis, which can save testing space. Front panel is equipped with power switch for 0.3-inch color display, keys, knob, and output terminals. The operating interface is simple and intuitive. Rear panel is equipped with LED, RS-232, RS-485, CAN, standard, optional analog and digital I/O interfaces, supporting remote programming and control. It also includes a standard SAND interface to eliminate voltage drop effects using a 4-wire connection. Front or rear cabling allowed, convenient for wiring. Feature 2, multi-function. N36300 comes with built-in SEQ edit, charge, and car wave, etc. Feature 3, high performance. N36300 comes with tight voltage accuracy, low ripple, and fast rise time. Additionally, the N36300 series offers CV priority to meet testing needs requiring zero voltage or current overshoot. All models include standard automotive waveform simulation with 6 built-in standard waveforms, meeting requirements of ISO 16750-2, LV1-4, and other standards. The N36300 series also includes SEQ test, which allows users to set step parameters, supporting up to 1000 test steps, ideal for harness gauging and semiconductor device power cycling applications. First, connect the shunt. Set the power supply to 10 amperes. After the output stabilizes, the shunt indicates 9.990 amperes, which falls within the specified accuracy of 0.1% plus 0.1% at full scale. Next, set the current to 20 amperes. The shunt now reads 19.995 amperes. Set the current to 40 amperes. The shunt shows 39.997 amperes, meeting the 0.1% plus 0.1% full-scale accuracy across the entire test range. Set the output to 5 volts. Program 42 amperes full-scale current in CC priority mode. Capture the current rise with an oscilloscope. The measured rise time is 6.86 milliseconds. Use the knob to set the output to 80 volts. After the unit stabilizes, multimeter reads 79.99 to 3 volts. The deviation is within the specified accuracy of 0.03% plus 0.02% at full scale. The N36300 series supports SEQ edit mode for multi-condition testing. Predefined voltage and current steps are executed automatically. And the resulting waveform is observed on the oscilloscope. Please click Hardware Configuration, scan devices, and save them. After Online, to enter the main interface. The main interface mainly consists of 4 parts: the toolbar, functional modes, status information view, and start recording. The status information view can display the voltage, current, and power in real time, and intuitively show the trends of voltage and current changes through data charts. The functional modes on the right can quickly access parameter settings by clicking. The SEQ mode can edit, save, and run files for later recall and modification. After clicking Start Recording, data will be automatically saved to historical data. Users can open the data to view test data and waveforms and export and save them in the form of table files.